count down in 5, 4, 3, 2, action.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Foods 254 with Sela. I am your guest host, Esther Josephine, and karibuni sana. In this series, tutawaletea foods ambazo mnaweza mka prepare easily at home, especially saizi watoto wako home wanakula, si ndio? So we bring you foods that you can easily put together and have them as snacks. Now, kwa hii episode, we have a chef that you all know and love. He's our resident chef, for lack of better words. And Chef Onderi.
Yes.
Men, karibu sana.
Asante tena. Yeah.
Thank you for always being here with us. We really appreciate that. We do not take it for granted.
We are here. Let's do this. Let's try and teach people new things.
I see.
Yeah, and ideas and all, yeah.
And oh, wow. I
really
see the
had to talk about
transformation. No, like unakapoa.
Asante sana.
Now, sasa sijui tuanze kushonesha nguo.
Tusiongelee story sana.
Acha tuanze kushonesha nguo cause look imeweza by the way.
Asante sana.
Unajua tutasumbuliwa kwa hiyo.
Lakini bado hiyo time bado.
Unajua hii episode tutasumbuliwa, but please keep them messages coming. Slide into DMs. You're allowed.
For more recipes. Yeah, for more recipes.
So, what do you have today?
Today, as you've said, we want to do snacks that are easy to prepare at home and zenye watoto wanapenda sana.
True.
Yeah. So for today, because last time you remember we did a difference between kaimati and mahamri.
Yes.
Because watu walikuwa confused mostly.
Na hapa tuna waru. Na hii waru imeboiliwa. Oh, this is potatoes.
Okay,
we have waru. What is this?
That's tamarind that we'll use as a sauce.
Tamarind ukwaju.
Ukwaju.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mkwaju watu wa Nairobi. Ukwaju. This is
gram flour.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we have garlic powder, we have turmeric, we have salt, we have black pepper, and have onions.
And onions.
Yes.
So tuna prepare nini exactly?
So leo tunaenda kudu viazi karai na bhajia.
Viazi karai na bhajia.
The same thing as last time watu confused
the
two.
Of course, kuna bhajia na kuna viazi karai. Of course, bhajia ni waru, si ndio? What do you mean?
Bhajia ni different na waru na viazi karai.
No, wait.
Yes.
Wait, you don't want to tell me that my entire life nimekuwa nikikula kitu kingine yenye naita bhajia?
Yeah, hizi zenye mnakula kwa hoteli mnaambiwa eti ni viazi karai, ni bhajia, ni viazi karai.
No. Yeah. But hizi zinakaa waru. Of course, zile bhajia zetu za Stanford.
The Stanford. Zinakuanga zimekuwa into slices.
Zile bhajia za Stanford zinakuanga zimekatwa hivi.
But those are not bhajias. Those are
you for real?
They're just viazi karai. Bhajia, it's made of the gram flour with some spices. Yeah.
This is interesting. So tunaanza na nini hapa?
Nataka tuanze ndio tusikuwe na a lot of wastes. We're going to do the paste here to dip the viazi karai. And then once we are done with the viazi karai, bala ya kutupa, because most of the time mtu utupa hiyo yenye mebaki.
Hiyo ndio tunatengenezea sasa
bhajia. Now that we can
bhajia.
add more flour and other spices
and
for the
bhajia now.
Yes.
I'm curious to see this bhajia. And this your potatoes are pre-boiled?
Yes. With a bit of salt. Na tujaboil hivi kabisa. Iko ngumu kiasi ya.
Okay.
And so that tukidip fry
itaiva na itakuwa crunchy.
Yeah, because now if we do it ikiwa mbichi haitaiva ndani. By the time inaiva ndani inamaanisha coating itakuwa inaungua.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
Chef, wacha tusi waste time ya viewers. Let's get into business.
Now we'll just do the normal.
Do you need me to help you in anything? How much time will come?
Yeah. Just a bit.
So that's gram flour.
This gram flour. Now on the viazi karai, we'll only use turmeric. And then use a bit salt, of course.
Yeah, salt has to be there.
Now garlic for good taste, some nice taste. So take a bit of black pepper to square kali. Though mostly wao tutumia pilipili. Okay, on this now, say tume add kila kitu hapa. Unazongeza cumin seeds. Unazongeza cumin, unazongeza dania.
Depending with your preference.
Yeah.
Sawa sawa.
So for us today, I think we'll prefer we do this a simple recipe that hizi ni vitu zenye kila mtu anaweza access
Then
easily.
tunaongeza maji.
Yes.
Okay.
Do a paste.
How much water?
Ongeza tu. Ongeza kidogo. Ongeza maji kiasi. Ongeza maji kiasi.
Tena.
Hadi sasa.
Ananukia poa. The combination makes it smell so good. Okay, so tukisha mix hivi. Oh, we have to beat it kabisa until all the lumps
lumps.
Ah, okay. So how many do we put inside?
Kwanza nataka ukuje side.
Okay.
Mimi nifanye hapa, utakuwa zitoa kutoka hapa
Sawa.
hivi.
The way napenda hizo bajia za nini?
Si bajia, sema viazi karai. So kuna bajia
Nairobi.
Sasa hizi tutatengeneza leo ni bajia za dengu and then kuna bajia za kunde.
La dengu aje, we don't have dengu here.
This is in the same. Okay. Nazita dengu, it's
Gram flour is dengu. Ni unga ya dengu.
chickpeas.
Yeah,
the same family, you see. Yeah, and then sasa pia una
za kunde.
Za kunde.
So za kunde ni zipi?
The black eyed peas. Yeah, you soak them overnight and then you come the next day, you blend it with the spices you want na kila kitu
and then
and
unatengeneza.
then you deep fry like hivyo tu.
Aha.
Tutafanya hiyo pia. Okay. Leo tunafanya hizi. Then sasa hiyo tutapangia hiyo tujue vile tutafanya.
All right. Now this is viazi karai. Karai.
So bito isishike chini. Kwa sababu leo tutumie karai yenyewe. So you see the reason as to why ninasema tuna boil kwanza. You see ishakuwa tayari but ingekuwa ni kiazi hatuja boil.
Ingekuwa imeiva
ndani.
ndani. Yes.
Yeah.
And then with this, you're assured that haitakuwa smushy.
Yeah. And then also this is a common meal right now actually saizi vile the Muslims are on Ramadan. So it's a meal that most of them
By the way.
cook during this period.
Well, so we're done with our okay, viazi karai.
Yes.
Ooh, finally I get it right. Viazi karai.
Yes, you're done with the viazi karai.
So now we are preparing bhajia.
Yeah, I want to prepare bhajia. So unaona this is kiunga ya kumix
From viazi karai.
Viazi karai. So instead of unajua most of the time
it's wasted.
Yeah, it's wasted. So we economize for today.
We need to economize on every grain.
Yes. Bhajia we're going to use the gram flour. Baking powder.
Okay.
Yes. And then now actually
And the
all
remaining
the
of the
spices.
spices.
Yes.
Zenye tulitumia tu kwa.
Yeah, but
But
then
now-
upper onions, you're adding the onions. And then you can also add the cumin seeds. You can add
Coriander.
chilies, coriander.
Nice. But
Now
now
it
we don't
depends
have
on your
all those.
preferences. No, you didn't get all those this time.
So we have onions. We have
garlic powder.
garlic powder,
The turmeric,
turmeric,
salt, black pepper,
and baking powder.
powder.
Let's go.
Yeah. Naza kwambia, okay, this is approximately 3 cups.
Around 3 cups there.
Yeah, 3 cups of flour. So for that, usually you put 1 tablespoon.
That's when you're making bhajia.
Yes,
Okay.
1 tablespoon of
Baking powder.
This is a teaspoon.
That's teaspoon. So you're putting 2.
Yeah. 1, 2.
Okay. Black pepper.
Black
we
pepper kidogo tu
use.
kwa
Kidogo,
sababu
especially
now
since they're kids.
yeah, they're kids and then eat just for the taste hapa
For
hivi.
flavor.
Yeah, so the flavor and all.
Salt to taste.
Yeah.
Around half of a teaspoon.
Yes. Turmeric the same.
Turmeric.
Turmeric. So garlic pia tunafanya like half of the teaspoon.
And
Now
then
this one
onions.
tuta add after tumemix.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Na maji kidogo kidogo.
So this one should not be very light.
Yeah. This is for a bit thick kama ile kaimati. Now we'll also add oil.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ndio ikue soft kidogo. Sikuwe ile imekauka sana. So, tutaweka like 5 tablespoons.
That's for 3 glasses of ground flour.
Ground flour. Unaweka ngapi?
4, 5.
I hope it's 5.
So this will make it tender.
Tender, yeah. Nice and soft. Because ukiweka nini peke yake inakauka.
No, you don't want to eat viazi karai imekauka.
Bhajia.
Oh, hii ni bhajia. These things are confusing me. So kwa nini hii sikuwe bhajia? Oh, hii haina viazi mahali.
Yep, even ndio inafaa kuwa.
Oh, that's the consistency.
Yeah. Now we can add the onions.
Okay.
This is where now you add the onions, the cumin seeds, the coriander.
And now we have onions.
Yeah. Sorry. And we're using the green onions because of the
By the way,
the aroma.
we have to use the green onions.
Yeah, these are the best.
Mandazi iko na vitunguu, mandazi imekaangwa. Sasa ndio bhajia.
Hiyo ndio bhajia.
Sanford ndirudishangi pesa yangu.
Unafaa rudia wa kucompensate.
All the years I've been eating bhajia there. Mimi nimekuwa nikikula viazi karai. So Chef Onderi, I understand that you also teach people pastry.
Yes, yes. I do lessons for everything, like everything ya kupika.
Okay.
Yeah, but most commonly watu utakanga za pastry. I've done mostly classes za the samosas. Yeah, samosas, kaimati. Hizo ndo mostly watu utaka kujua. Hizo ndo nimefanya classes most.
So wale watu wanataka kujua kupika hizi vitu, they just reach you.
Yeah, just reach me, we organize on how tunazofanya. Yeah.
And you also do deliveries.
Yeah, I currently do deliveries. Tunakuletea to your doorstep too.
Na lessons unafanyia wapi, kwako ama kwenye anafunzwa?
Mostly I prefer kwa mwenye anafunzwa kwa sababu everything that we cook inabaki inakuwa yake. Alright.
Well, so Chef Onderi.
Yes.
This is it. This is don't tell me. This is bhajia.
Yes, this is
yes,
bhajia.
This is bhajia and this is Viazi Karai.
Okay.
Hey, boss.
Sorry.
So this is bhajia and this is Viazi Karai.
Yes.
Okay. But zinafanana to me. But now the difference is the contents.
The content ndani sasa.
Okay, ini waru, hiyo tumezoea.
And then this is just the ground flour.
Oh, it looks nice.
Yeah.
It smells heavenly. It smells so nice.
Wait until you taste. Now we've served with tamarind sauce.
This is tamarind sauce.
Yes.
Hey, mambo Mombasa huko.
Hiyo ni another day. Watu watafunzwa another day.
That's another day.
Yes.
So we can taste?
Yes, please. You can taste.
Woo! I don't know. I do warm up first.
Which one do you want to start? You start with the...
Definitely. Maybe biashara ya waru nimemaliza.
Ushazoea.
Nishazoea waru.
Okay, now you just dip. Yeah.
Nitafika like more. Wewe unaniacha. Sijui kwanza nifanye warm up. Whoa, you dip like that?
Yes. Chamba kitu ni kafirifiri.
Mm.
Kafirifiri pekee.
That's good.
Yes. Now you see, this is what you've been missing. This is what you've been missing, huh?
Kama there's a restaurant nishai kula bhajia, unanirudishia pesa zangu. Niligongwa.
Lakini that is what people are used to.
Acha nionje sasa.
Naonja sasa jamani, unakula kukula.
Acha tu nionje. Wow. I love the taste of the tamarind. It's
Now here, if you add kapilipili kidogo,
I can imagine.
it becomes perfect.
But for kids, with kids around,
It's good,
this
it's
is
good.
perfect.
Yeah.
Let me try this. Hii imekuja ile kubwa but ni sawa tu.
Na kweli uko sure ama ni wewe umechagua? Ni wewe umechagua, usiseme eti imekuja. Kwani iko na miguu? Haina miguu.
We. Hii Nairobi itanimaliza but it's okay. So, Chef Onderi.
Yes.
Before I conclude, please remind us how and where can we find you?
On all social media platforms as Chef Onderi. Just give me a call or text or WhatsApp. Yes,
And you do
for
deliver.
all these that we are preparing here, we are delivering.
Definitely, definitely.
For more, if you have questions or anything, DM or actually comment on the video, on the YouTube video. We will respond there for any questions.
And we will also leave your details in our description box.
Yes.
So that people can easily reach you out. So thank you. This was beautiful, Chef Onderi. I hope next time you'll come with something tasty.
Yeah,
something
we'll always try something new.
Yes.
Yeah, just challenging ourselves every day.
We have to challenge ourselves every day because life has to go on. Viewers, this was our meal for today. I hope you know the difference between Bhajia and Viazi Karai. I am also learning on set. I didn't know, honestly, my entire life has been a lie, and I'm coming back to claim my money. Any restaurant that I've ever eaten Bhajia, muliniuzia viazi, mkanidanganya ni Bhajia. Ninakujia pesa yangu. I'm coming back to claim that money. But guys, we are also selling merchandise, t-shirts. I also want to appreciate the Maloba family. We saw your photo. You did a photo shoot with our t-shirts. We appreciate. Thank you very much. It was very beautiful. The picture is here. Nice, right? Be part of this also. You can have t-shirts for your entire family, and not just t-shirts, but hoodies and other merchandise. I'm also on social media as EJ Beauty, offering you professional makeup services, and natural hairstyling, and your handmade wigs. If you need one, just get in touch with me. My contact details are in the description box, and I'll appreciate your support. Thank you very much, guys. This has been my time. Please, 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 please subscribe, and call your friends and share with your friends to subscribe. Love you very much. Until next time, God bless you.
It's a wrap. Thank you so much. See you next time, and please subscribe.